Hello everyone, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Dallas, Texas. And today I am standing in front of a fresh trade-in. It's a 2020 Tahoe 2150. This boat has been really cared for in super low hours at only 89 hours on this boat. Come on inside, I'll show you a couple cool things about it. All right everyone, I'm inside of the Tahoe 2150, and something cool I really like about this boat is this big front deck. You know, deck boats are notorious for having a ton of space and a ton of features. And this is something cool that you can use this boat actually bow to stern. This huge deck with the boarding ladder makes it real easy to get in and out and a ton of space to play. While you're out there, you can wind down. The Tahoe 2150 also comes with a nice table, have some snacks, some drinks, and just relax. All right, everyone, moving on from the bow, I kind of like this right here. This is something pretty cool that Tahoe did. It's got this little rinse station here. So if you want to clean, your fruits or your vegetables or even your hands, this is something pretty neat. Ton of room in the boat. And last but not least, this boat was optioned out with the bigger motor. It's got the big Merc 225 V6 on it. So for more information on this 2020 Tahoe 2150, my name's Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Give us a call.